Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Open the calendar in Teams and confirm your time zone so invites match attendees. Once done, click New Meeting to begin, not the Chat Meet Now button, because scheduling gives control over options. Add a clear title and tentative duration, then choose whether this will be a channel, group, or private meeting. Make sure to set the right calendar, personal versus shared team calendar, before adding attendees so your invite appears where you expect. Now populate the meeting. Add required attendees, optional participants, and any room or resource from the drop-down. This guarantees bookings and accurate headcount. Once attendees are listed, pick the channel if you want shared visibility and set recurrence for repeating meetings. Click Meeting Options to decide who bypasses the lobby and who's a presenter versus attendee. These choices control sharing and recording rights. Attach the agenda or relevant files directly to the invite so everyone arrives prepared. Review the invite one last time. Confirm date, time zone, attendees, and that the Teams meeting link is present, then click Send to schedule. When it's time, launch the meeting from Calendar or the channel post and verify your audio/video before admitting participants. Enable recording or live captions if required. If someone can't join, make sure their email is correct. Their tenant allows external guests, and that lobby settings aren't blocking them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.